Good morning. This is Jersey from Wanderlust Travel Agency. How may I help you today? Hi, good morning. My girlfriend and I are planning to travel abroad soon, and we're interested in going to Japan. That's wonderful. Japan is one of our top destinations. May I know what kind of trip you're looking for? Something romantic, adventurous, or cultural? Hmm, maybe a mix of all three. We want to explore, relax, and try new things together. Perfect. Japan offers a balance of fun and culture. You can enjoy the city life in Tokyo, explore the traditions in Kyoto, and experience great food in Osaka. That sounds great. My girlfriend always wanted to see the cherry blossom. When's the best time to go? Cherry blossom season is around March to April. The weather is also nice, cool but not too cold. If you prefer snow, January to February is ideal, especially for visiting Hokkaido. Okay, that's good to know. We're both food lovers too. Is there a food tour included? Yes, we have a Japan food and culture package that includes sushi tasting in Tokyo, street food in Osaka, and a tea ceremony in Kyoto. You'll also have free time to explore on your own. Wow, that sounds amazing. How many days would you recommend? For a good experience, I suggest 7 to 10 days. That gives you enough time to visit Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka without rushing. And how much would that cost for the two of us? Our couple package usually starts at 90,000 to 120,000, depending on your preferred hotels and travel dates. That includes flights, accommodation, tours, and transfers. That's actually reasonable. Do you offer payment plans? Yes, we do. You can pay installments if you book at least 2 months in advance. I can email you the sample, itinerary, and quotation later today. That would be great. Thank you. No problem. May I have your email address so I can send the details? Sure. It's beaandalextravel@gmail.com. Got it. I'll send the information right after our call. Once you've checked it, we can finalize your booking. Thank you so much, Jersey. We're really excited for this trip. You're very welcome. I hope you both enjoy planning your Japan adventure. Have a great day, and thank you for choosing Wanderlust Travel Agency. Thanks, Jersey. Talk to you soon. Bye. Goodbye.